how to see who liked me on Tantan. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can know who liked you on Tantan. The first thing to do is to open your Tantan application. Wait for it to load, load, load. Once that's loaded, you would be brought to the home page, and then on this home page you would click on me. Me is located at the lower part of the screen. The me icon is located at the lower part of the screen by the right side. So you just click on it, and then once you click on me, you would see the me page, that is your profile page to be precise. You'll see it, and then you'll see your name, your Tantan identification number, your balance, and then you'll see who likes me and say who sees me, then I like, and that. So all you need to do is to click on see who likes me. Then after that, you'll see a list of persons the that likes you. Now currently the person's images would be blurred because you are currently using the free version of Tantan. So if you're using the paid version of Tantan, you can just easily click on the person to see who is the person that likes you. All right. So for you to see who likes you, other than just getting the notification, you'd have to you'd have to uh you'd have to get the pro version of Tantan. Okay, so it's only on the pro version that you can see the image of whoever likes you or admires you on Tantan. So go ahead and get that pro version today. There are different packages, but the package that has this feature is the 3 month package, which it goes for 14,500 naira if you are in Nigeria. But if you are in other countries, the amount to be paid will be in your own currency. So, thanks for watching.